So I am so excited. I am here to talk to you all today about Diva Business School. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. Okay, so first of all, why did I use the word diva? I want to talk about that. Divas are not bitches. They are not high maintenance. They are not mean. They are not self-centered. That is a common urban word that we use now in a bad connotation. This is what a diva really is. It's a goddess. It's a Latin word. It's used for opera singers who are celebrated for their incredible talent. Ladies, I want to help develop your talent. And I want you to be celebrated for that incredible talent. I want you to feel like you are a goddess. And I want you to put that out into the universe so that people are attracted and drawn back to you. They want to know how you show up that way, right? They want to know how you do it. A goddess is like a deity. She is someone who exudes this energy. This is why Beyonce is getting so much attention right now, because she owns the word diva. She is a persona. She is the complete embodiment. She has self-confidence. She has an image about her. She has woman power. She's got a powerful man next to her that she knows how to run, right? Like, she knows how to be in that relationship with the powerful man. She knows how to give her audience an experience, right? She is a diva. So for me, it is not, I have so many women who are stay-at-home moms, or they work and have kids. Either way, I always get this, they tell me the same things, which is they struggle to be a good mom, they struggle to be a good wife, and they struggle to run their business and then maybe their full-time job. Divas, they know how to do all of it. They just can make it all work because their mind is on point, their heart is on point, everything is in alignment. Everything is congruent with everything they want in their life. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. So the first step, when you really want to own your business, you have to start owning your life. Your relationships have to get better. You've got to be the kind of person that can juggle all of it and do it well, right? You have to be the kind of person that can have this, when you're with your husband or your partner, that it can be incredible. It can be romantic. It can be inspiring. It can be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be that way, but it can be that way. And you can have this intimate, intense partnership with your spouse. And you can have this incredible relationship with your children, with your family. And when you have that, it's so easy to run a business. It's actually easier, right? So this is not just Diva Business School. This is Diva Life School, right? What I'm going to teach you is how to show up as your best, highest self all the time. I'm going to teach you how to exude confidence, how to exude love, real unconditional love for everyone in your life and everyone you meet. I am going to teach you, I want you to imagine that you are shooting arrows, right? You shoot arrows with your energy every time you walk into a room. And I want people to be drawn to those arrows. I want you to go to a networking event and be boom, 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 shooting arrows, and you capture everybody. And they just come to you and gravitate to you like this goddess that you are. However that shows up for you. Maybe you're a rebel goddess. Maybe you're not into all that girly stuff. That's okay. To be a diva, you don't need to be pretty and foo-foo and perfect. A diva is the perfect, authentic version of herself. That is what a diva is. She is someone who people celebrate for being who she is. I know a lot of edgy divas. I know a lot of really soft, lovey divas. And I know a lot of sporty divas. And I know a lot of divas in between. So it doesn't matter. I know a lot of nurturing, loving, motherly divas. My friends affectionately call me Mama. How you doing, Mama? How's it going, Mama? Because I have that energy. I just give off that energy of love, of caring and nurturing for other people. So I want to teach you how to do that in your life. A lot of people tell me, and especially with network marketing and most entrepreneurship, like, I don't know how to get clients and business partners. I don't know that many people. I stay at home all day, and I don't do a lot of public outings, and I don't have a big group of friends. Guess what? I didn't either. I built my business on the road 100% of the time with a very small network of people, and I do not have one person who is a client that was in my current personal network. So if I can do it, you can do it. I met clients through the internet. I met clients through other people that I knew. I met clients at the grocery. I met clients at networking events. I met clients at dinner that I just met out. I've met all kinds of people in many different places. I met clients in Facebook groups, women's Facebook groups. I met people a lot of different ways. And so it didn't really have to do with me getting out and being a social person. I'm an introvert. Many of you may not know that, but I am. Big functions make me nervous. I have to show up as my highest self and work for it every time. So these are the things I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you how to show up as your highest self. I'm going to teach you how to bring people to you, to not be seeking others, but to bring them to you. I have clients right now who people actually message them to say, what are you doing right now? Like, I know you told me about it in the past, but what? I'm going to teach you how to go about recontacting people who have told you no in the past. We're going to talk about business stuff too, right? But the main objective of Diva Business School is going to teach you how to own yourself and your life, because when you can do that, you can do your business, right? The net worth of your network, that's a 6-week virtual event I do that is 100% centered on your business. So if you want to take that, take it. Take it and do Diva Business School at the same time. Why not? Do them both. It's incredible. It's a whole different experience. Diva Business School is going to really be about you. It's going to be about really changing from the inside out. Because in business, people will follow you when they see a change, not when they hear your business opportunity. It's never going to happen that way. It happens by the way you show up. I'm going to help you brand yourself. Find how you want to show up to other people. Do you want to be the sporty diva? Do you want to be the nurturing diva, the mama diva? Oh, I love that, mama diva. Do you want to be the sassy diva? Do you want to be the tell it like it is diva? Do you want to be maybe the edgy diva? Do you want to be the fun diva, right? The one who's the party diva? It doesn't matter. Let's find out how many different divas we can have join the school. And let's develop those personalities. Let's really make that pop, right? And we're going to talk about, how to really create this momentum around you. All right, I had a little break in the video because someone was knocking on my door. I was staying at a hotel, so I think it was housekeeping. So anyways, we're going to create a momentum around you so that it's about not putting as much effort out into the universe. You don't need as much effort when you're doing the right actions and you're in the right alignment and energy. Lots of network marketing people, they will say, you got to get to those 100 no's. You got to just focus on the 100 no's, and maybe you'll get 10 people out of those 100 people. The way I teach is focus on 10 people and close 9 of them. So it's easy for me to run my business and have an amazing life because I am taking the right actions consistently with the right energy, the right vibration, and so the business is coming to me. And yes, I'm still putting forth effort and action. Yes, I'm working very hard, but in a way that I still have a ton of free time. I still have time to read books and hang out with friends and go to the gym and go to yoga and go out to eat and watch TV if I feel like it, which normally I don't, but vision board or take trips. My life isn't absorbed in my business. It's not. But when you learn these tools and techniques and you start implementing them, everything in life just gets easier. It's like really learning how to win at life. Learning how to bend life by your rules and creating everything that you want from scratch. That's what it's about. I'm also going to teach you all how to do visualizations, things that you can do to put you in the energy right then and there on the spot in the moment. If you're sitting in front of a client and you get nervous or you get in fear or you're not sure what to say, I am going to teach you small little techniques that you can do that will actually draw people to you and get you in the right energy at the exact same time. I'm going to teach you how to transfer nervous energy to objects. I'm going to teach you how to instantly feel totally loved and just like hugged and snuggled and in the moment. Whether you're on a date with your husband or you're mad at him and you're in a fight, I'm going to teach you all these really incredible physical tools and visualizations throughout the process to really get you in the diva spirit. We'll work a lot on communication, how to communicate with other people effectively, how to really express your feelings in a way that is inviting to other people, how to really present that energy. There's going to be so much that we're going to work on. And mostly, I'm going to be coaching you all on the calls live, right? It's going to be a group of people, but this is a way to get access to me if private coaching isn't available to you yet. If that's just not an option for you yet, I understand, but this is what I tell people: start somewhere. Don't say, oh, well, I want to do private coaching. That sounds like more like what I want to do. I'm not ready for it yet, so in 6 months we'll revisit it. No, right? It's about capitalizing on momentum now. Let's get you started somewhere. Diva Business School is a chance to come together with a group of women who have the same objection or the same end result as you. They have the same desires as you. They want to own their life. They want to have a business. They want to create things for themselves. So I'm going to put you in that group, and we're going to use that energy, and you're going to get to network with them, maybe create joint ventures with them. But it's going to open your world and your mind to a whole group of women entrepreneurs who are attacking the same things you are in life. And you're going to be guided by me. You're going to have access to a coach. So what the actual specifics of it are, we're going to meet once a week, and I've decided it's going to be Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Now, there's going to be recordings of the calls. That's okay if you can't be live. You can still learn a ton, right? You'll still have access to me. I'm going to be creating videos like this at least once a week on whatever topics we're talking about that week. There are going to be opportunities for you to read books at the same time I'm reading them and do a mastermind on them and really dive into the teachings, right? There's going to be an opportunity for that. There's going to be an opportunity for you all. If I'm going to be doing webinars, I might shoot you all out the webinars I'm going to be doing. There's going to be so much. You're going to have opportunities to do other programs with me. Diva Sales Mastery will be coming up. That'll be a separate program, but you'll have first access to it. There will be Diva in Love. That will be you'll get first access to that. That's coming up. There's going to be so many things that I have created. I'm really going to be offering a lot of magic in the universe for this group. So it's once a week for 1 hour, right? Tuesdays from 8 to 9 p.m. We'll get on a conference line. We'll chat. And we will mastermind over your business. Everyone will get to share success stories, failures, things that didn't work in their businesses, things that did. It might give you a chance to just get inspired by some of the other ladies and what they're doing and what's working for them, so you can try it in your own business. And then there will be support. There'll be a private Facebook group just for Diva Business School, where you'll get to interact with each other and myself, just like for those of you that did the net worth of your network, just like we've been doing there, and it's going to be incredible. I talked this entire program so far about how there are 52 weeks in a year. 52. And if you just focus 1 week at a time on growth, it's not overwhelming, but you will be shocked at where your life will be in a year if you focus with a coach once a week to move forward and have momentum in your business and in your life. You'll be shocked at all the things that you can create in your life in that 1 year. I'm going to help you come up with a 101 things list. 101 things you want in your life. I'm going to create and you want to do an experience and help you start checking that off. There's going to be so many fun activities I'm going to teach you on. I'm going to teach you how to create this little grab bag of things when you're not feeling good, go-to things that will make you feel good. It's going to be that and so much more. And because I'm doing this as a group offering, I wanted this to be affordable for everyone, whether you just started your business or you're 2 years in and it just wasn't what you thought it would be, or you're just new to coaching and you're like, I don't really know what this is. Like, let's try it out. So the Diva Business School, it's a year program, so it's 12 months, right? So you're going to commit to 12 months of building your life and your business to what you want it to be, creating the dream life you want. And yes, you can get it in 12 months. We can work on it. It's a start, right? So it's going to be a 12-month program where we meet once a week. So 4 times or 5 times a month, depending on how many weeks are in the month, for an hour. Or if you just listen to the recordings on your way to work and you don't actually participate on the live calls, that's okay. But I highly recommend that you clear your schedule. I don't care if you have workout class that day. I don't care if you have this, or that. It's date night. It's this night. It's your favorite television show. Clear your schedule, because you've really got to look at your priorities. And that's the one thing we're going to talk about. I did it with my network of your net worth people, or your net worth of your network people. But we're going to talk about getting your priorities in alignment for what you really want in your life, and how to make decisions from that place. How to make decisions that come from a place of love and your dreams, and not from a place of fear and where you're at in the current moment. If you need, we can do financial coaching. I have a great money jar system that I do that's really incredible. I can teach you how to do that as well, and how to start building wealth and creating a mindset for that. There's so many things available. And if you guys come to me and tell me things you want to learn or things that aren't going well in your life, I create the things I teach based on that stuff. So it's also going to be a lot of in the moment, just what I know you need. You're going to get all of that for 52 weeks with Diva Business School. You're going to get backup videos and content. You're going to get book suggestions that you can read with me while I'm doing it. You're going to get email and Facebook message support from me. You're going to get a group of network with a group of women entrepreneurs, and you're going to really find your authentic self and the message that you want to put out into the universe. And you're going to get that all for $100 a month for 12 months. So for $1,200 total, or $100 a month, that's $25 a week to get access to all of this. It's insane. There is no program out there. I've done 1 million of them, and there is no program that is going to give you this amount of value for that price. And it's a business write-off, right? Divas run their business, they run their life, they run their money, right? We are going to do this together. So all you need to do is message me. Diva School starts officially, hold on, let me check my calendar, officially starts the week of, let's see, Diva School starts on the, and I'm so sorry, I said Tuesdays at 8 p.m. I really apologize. That is when the next net worth of your network is starting. That's starting Tuesdays at 8. So Diva Business School is going to be Thursdays at 8. I'm going to continue with the same group of women that I've already committed to Thursdays at 8. So I apologize. So Diva Business School is Thursdays at 8 p.m. Till 9 p.m. And it's going to start, Thursday, March 25th. Thursday, March 25th at 8 p.m. is when Diva School starts. And for those of you that want to do it, I'll send you over the agreement for Diva Business School. And we'll get you enrolled, and I'll get you all the information you need, and we will get started. So please message me if you have any questions. I just want to let you know that Tuesday, March 15th, at 8 p.m., I'm going to do an informational call for the net worth of your network 6-week coaching program. So if you haven't done that and you're wanting to know more about what that networking program is, that's about relationship building and networking and tools that you need to really launch your business quickly. If you want to learn about that and what we've been doing over the last 6 weeks, that's going to be Tuesday the 15th at 8 p.m. Eastern. At 9 p.m., directly after that call, I'm going to do another informational call on Diva Business School. These calls are only going to be about 20 or 30 minutes. Really, I'm giving the full hour to it so that I can stick around and answer questions for people. So if you have anyone that might be interested in this, anyone at all, then you will want to ask them to come to the call. It's, again, It's Tuesday, March 15th at 8 p.m. for the Net Worth of Your Network, and then right following that at 9 p.m. Diva Business School. I highly recommend, if you haven't done Net Worth of Your Network, do them both at the same time. I'm not kidding. If you really want to launch your business quickly, I would say do them both. If you are only going to do one, if you're only going to invest the time and money in one, the Net Worth of Your Network, it's also $100 for the 6-week program. If you're only going to do one, I would start with the Net Worth so that you're caught up with everybody else. But otherwise, I would do both. It would be $200 for to be able to do both programs, and you could write it off on your taxes. You'll get an invoice from me, but I would invest in yourself. It's time to get this moving. Like, it's time to really, and ask whoever invited you, ask what they got from the event. Reach out to maybe some other girls that did the event and ask them questions. A lot of the girls have really upgraded, and they're going straight into private coaching because they've already gotten so many results from their businesses. We had women that hit Success Club in their organization that have never hit Success Club. We have women who had the best months they've ever had. We have women that moved up promotions, many that moved up promotions, and we're only 4 weeks in. Right? So this is really an incredible event. I want you all to be a part of it. So the official start date of Diva Business School and the next Net Worth of Your Network will be, the Net Worth of Your Network will start on Tuesday the 22nd of March. So Tuesday the 22nd of March at 8 p.m. Eastern. And Diva Business School will commence on the 24th. That's a Thursday at 8 p.m. So Diva Business School, Thursday the 24th of March at 8 p.m. And the Net Worth of Your Network, Tuesday the 22nd at 8 p.m. Both groups will have recorded calls that will be released on their private Facebook groups. There will be a private page for Diva Business School, a private page for Net Worth of Your Network, and you can be on both pages. That's great. But you'll have the calls. It'll be most likely probably the same conference line, but maybe it'll be something, maybe I'll do different for each one. I'll figure it out, but I'm so excited. A lot of this stuff, it's just like I'm giving you guys almost the information as soon as I'm creating it, which is really cool. I'm really just creating this based on a need that we found in this group. This group, the energy has been so amazing that I cannot explain to you the energy and what has been created for this event. It's creating momentum on your Facebook pages, which is what's causing people to reach out to you. And this is what you want to keep going. You do not want to lose this momentum. You want to be involved. You want to be here in the group. This is really like, this is what you need to grow your business, and you can do it, and I'm going to be here to help you. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I am so excited to help you discover what type of diva you're going to be and to help you find your most authentic self. I love you all. Even if I've never met you, I'm sending you my love right now, and I can't wait to chat. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.